Hello, my name is Brandon from Connect PT, and I just want to take a few minutes to talk about coughing because this time of the year we have a lot of patients coming in with increased symptoms of coughing. So when there's increased coughing, a lot of times patients with stress urinary incontinence, leaking of urine, those symptoms are increased. And as well as our patients with pelvic organ prolapse, they have increasing complaints of heaviness or symptoms related to that prolapse. So coughing is a lot of pressure placed on the bladder, the pelvic organs, and the other structures, and it's unavoidable. But we can reduce the amount of pressure, and we teach our patients certain techniques as performing a Kegel or bracing when they know they're going to cough or sneeze, but also the posture or the positioning in which you cough can help you decrease the amount of pressure you place on your pelvis. So traditionally, people bend down into their elbow and they cough, and curving the spine and leaning forward, we're actually increasing the amount of pressure on the pelvis. So I would suggest instead having a longer, taller spine, still coughing into your elbow, being aware and mindful of not spreading infection, but coughing up and away as if you're trying to remove, as you are when you're coughing, whatever's in the back of your throat or in your lungs. So picture lungs and up. So it would look more like versus a big belly cough. And now I would challenge you to try both of those coughs, both of those techniques, and see if you have a reduction in your symptoms. Thank you.